Hey besties, it's Brianalynn and welcome to Bestie Wednesday. For today's video, I'm going to be updating my background. As you can see, it no longer matches the current season that we are in, which is fall. I have a ton of goodies that I'm going to be using to decorate with, so stay tuned so you can find out where I found them, how I use them, and let's go ahead and update this bad baby because this summer spring theme is not working for me anymore. I need fall and I need it now. Let's go. Hey y'all, so we're just going to start by removing all the things in this area and from my wall. I don't use a backdrop holder. I have been wanting to get one, but I haven't found a really good one. I figure if I'm going to invest in one, I might as well make it one that's going to last. So my biggest concern with using them is that the fabric is not going to be completely wrinkle free. And of course, that's what we want. We want it to be wrinkle free and very sleek. So for now, I've just been using my wall, which is okay for the moment. However, the downside to that is that I am putting a lot of holes into my wall, but that's okay. I can repair it later. This backdrop I found on Amazon, and I'm using thumbtacks to secure it at the top. When doing this, I just want to be sure that the backdrop is in the area where my frame is going to be for the camera. So I do put it a little bit higher in case I move my camera higher when I am shooting a video, or if I zoom it in more or zoom it out more. That way I'm just sure that the whole area is going to be covered. And of course, I'm just smoothing it out as I go down. I do fold the bottom of this just because it's right next to an outlet and I don't want to be starting any type of fires in my house. So just to be on the safe side, I pin that up right above the outlet. This backdrop is vinyl. It is not a cloth fabric, which I thought it was, but turns out the vinyl actually worked a little better in my favor because I didn't have to iron it out. So these lights I also got off of Amazon. I thought they'd be a nice little touch, and they're super fall-y. I also got some for my outdoor patio area, so I'm super excited to put those up. I just want to say, if you're ordering these, be sure to pay attention if the bulbs are plastic or glass. The glass ones are super fragile. I actually broke one after I finished filming, so I did have to replace it, and I ordered some replacement bulbs off of Amazon as well. So to secure the lights, I am using thumbtacks as well. They worked fine for me. You can also use the command hooks, but you know, this is just what I had on hand. Our lights are now up and it's looking super cute. Whew, it's getting a little hot in here with these lights. Whew. So for the most part, our backdrop is up. I did order the backdrop from Amazon. The lights, I believe I got them from Amazon too. Like I said, I'll try to link everything down below. Now's the fun part. I'm going to be decorating the two little cubes right here. I do have makeup in them, so I do need them to be functional and available. That way, if I need anything from in there, it's easily accessible. So I'm not going to be covering them. What I'm going to be doing is just placing objects on top to make it look cute. The scenery, you know, all that for fall. I do have some really cute stuff. So let's go ahead and jump into that. So most of this stuff, of course, in this bag I found from Target, and I actually found it in like the front section where they have like the dollar deals, the $5 deals, $3 deals. That's where this stuff is going to be. So I don't think they have it on their actual website, but I will try to find similar items and link them as well. I'm sure Amazon and Michaels have a ton of similar stuff, so I will try to link it. So for the most part, I am just right now taking everything out, placing it on top and organizing it that way. Of course, you know, I ended up moving this basket to the other side, so it's kind of just playing with everything I have here. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I didn't really have a specific plan or design on how I wanted to do my backdrop. I just know that these are some items I wanted to include, and that's kind of just how I usually work. That's how the creative side of me flows. I never really have a specific plan, nor do I usually stick to one. I kind of just pick up a bunch of items that I really like and I think will go well together, and then take them all out and then start playing with them and moving them around and seeing where they best fit. So I do encourage you to try that. If you aren't really sure on what you want to do for your background, just grab a few items, play with it, and see how it comes up. And then, so I did decide after this video, I ordered a leaf garland I'm going to put somewhere into this background, whether it be between these items on my little desk or hanging right above the lights. I haven't really decided yet. So once they come in, I am going to play with it and see where it fits best. And I'm pretty sure you'll see it in my next video that I film. So stay tuned for that. These light up pumpkins have to be like my favorite thing out of this whole look. I think they're so cute. And how cute is the top of them? They have like a little rhinestone stem, which is so me. So I really enjoy that. The little white pumpkins I did find at Michael's, I want to say, and this TGIF little plaque I found a while back at Marshall's. It was on clearance. Okay, so I'm finally done. It took forever to pull out the letters for that sign back there, and now that I put it there, you can't even really see it. But it says happy fall, y'all. Like, subscribe. I may end up moving it because I'm not sure how I feel about it being there. But you know, for now, we are going to roll with it. So that is the completed background change for fall. As we get more into it, and as I pull out my fall decor for my house, because I have not decorated yet. Don't even get me started, okay? We're redoing our fireplace mantle and tiling, and it's a whole big mess. So I haven't been able to decorate my house yet, but that is coming soon. So once I pull out those decorations, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to find like some leaves or something to pull up, to put up somewhere around here. Maybe even like a leaf garland. We'll see, because I have a ton of fall stuff. Because it's my fave. So if you love to see things like this, stay tuned. I do have a wreath that I'm going to be DIYing for Halloween because I need to spook up the place as well. This year I'm going to be fusing my fall and Halloween decor together, which is something that I've never done. I've always done them separate. So I figure, you know, me and my boyfriend love Halloween. So we're going to be using them and keeping it up. Well, Halloween until October's over, and then I'm gonna also just keep up my fall until November, and then it's time to decorate for Christmas. See, I just love this time of year. But anyways, let me get out the way so you can see. This is pretty much it, and the angle will probably change. You know, as I do videos and stuff like that, it will be moved out more, zoomed out more, or zoomed in more. But this is pretty much what we're working with. It's very fall-esque. I have to say that my favorite, of course, are the lit pumpkins. They light up. I think they're so adorable. And I really love these lights. They're super cute. And they're not getting too hot. I was kind of worried that putting them on top of the background, because the background is not like the typical fabric. It's actually like vinyl, which I didn't know I was going to return, but it actually looks really cute. And I love that I don't have to really iron out any type of wrinkles. With the fabric ones, you have to iron them out or it's going to be a wrinkled mess. This one looks pretty nice. And then of course, like, my other faves is also the pumpkins. Like, I just love pumpkins. They just make me so happy. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did in creating this look for the fall season. Be sure to like this video, comment down below. Did you enjoy this? Do you want to see more of this kind of content? And also, don't forget to subscribe down below. That lets me know that you enjoy this content, and it helps me to put out more similar or change it up. It just lets me know. Okay, so I actually ended up ordering some leaves from Amazon, and the leaf garland ended up coming today, so I just kind of spruced up my backdrop with them for that added cuteness. So besties, that is it for today. I will see you guys on my next one. Stay tuned. Like I said, I will be having a DIY wreath for Halloween. See you guys on my next one.